Hey everybody, it's Beth and Shiv. Today we're going to give you a quick rundown on how to download and use the Curb Collect app.
Alright, so we're going to go to the App Store to download the Curbside Collection app on the iPhone. And we're just going to search up Curbside Collection. And there it is, Abbotsford Curbside Collection, so we'll click on that at the top there. And we'll click the cloud button over there on the side and download it. So of course you can also download the app on an Android, just access the Google Play Store. And then we'll search up, again, Abbotsford Curbside Collection. And then we'll install the app. And we can open the app as well.
So when you open up the app, it'll directly bring you to a screen where you can enter your address. So just type in your address in order to see when your collection days are. It'll show you right at the top your next collection day and what will be collected. This example is compostables and recyclables. Just below this is an area where there will always be a different tip. This one is regarding your tissues, paper napkins, and paper towel and directs you on where to put them. Then if you scroll farther down, you can also see future collections. So next week would be the collection where garbage would be taken, as well as your compostables and recyclables, and so on. You can also click on either compostables, recyclables, or garbage, and it gives you some more details. In this one, it shows some set-out requirements for compostables. For example, you need the proper yard waste stickers. It tells you where you can pick them up if you need additional ones, and tells you the maximum number of compostable waste containers you can have at the curb. And there is similar information for recycling, such as what time you need to have your blue bags out to the curb by, and the maximum size of blue bags you can use.
So one of the cool tools that you can use on the Curbside Collection app is the Waste Wizard, and you can access it by clicking the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. So what the Waste Wizard does is it tells you how to dispose of an item if you don't know how to dispose of it. So you can just click the search bar there. So the first item we'll search here are diapers, and you can see this goes to the garbage. We'll type in another item now, milk jug for example, and this can be put into the blue bag. So the next item that we're going to search up are batteries. So you can see that batteries can be dropped off at a variety of locations if you scroll down here. And if you click on any of these locations, I will give you more information, such as their phone number, their hours of operation, and their location. We'll go back and we'll search another item here. So let's type in bread bag. And you can see that bread bags would be dropped off at a depot as well. And again, you can click on any one of those locations to find out more.
If you go to the bottom right hand side of your screen, you can see the three little dots, which will bring you to a settings menu where you can do lots of different things, such as manage your notifications. If you have your push notifications turned on your phone, you can see those settings here. If you do have your push notifications enabled in your phone settings, then here is what you will see. You can turn your notifications on and off from here as well. You can also select the time of the notification, so if you wanted it to be the evening before, say at 9 p.m., and then select the day before, that's when you will be notified of your collection and what's going to be collected. Or if you want it done in the morning, let's say, you can receive the notification at 6 a.m., for example, the day of your collection. This can be edited at any time to suit your needs. You can also change your address if you have moved or wanted to look up a different address. You could do that here as well. You can report a problem A good example of this is if you have a missed pickup from your curbside collection, you can go here and then you can put in a report saying you missed your pickup. And there's also contact information for the City of Abbotsford, phone number, email, and different socials as well.
So we hope you found this video useful, and if you did, give it a like, comment, and we also hope that you enjoy utilizing the Curbside Collection app and the Waste Wizard.